In this tutorial, we will show you how to add a client. First, navigate to the Clients tab. You will see a list of all clients. On the right-hand corner, you should see a button that says, Create New Record. Click this and you can then add a client profile on this page. Simply enter all or mandatory information. If you want to share real-time activity reports with your client, then add client secure credentials too. Now that you have entered all required details, simply press the Save the Record button and now you see a confirmation message. Coming back to the list page, you will see your recently added client on top of the records. If you need to quickly go back and edit something, you can navigate to the Actions menu available in each record. You can also delete a record by simply navigating to the Actions menu. A prompt will appear displaying "Are you sure to delete?" Please note that all deleted records are available in Trash for a permanent delete. A restore option is also available. Furthermore, you can manage different functions such as deactivation, view relevant documents, share secure credentials and many more. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more help tutorials.